Ha. Belle uzu vardı. Kaçıyla kaçıyla. Hey.
Kur. Hey! Hop 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 hop.
What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at some of the most awesome animal encounters caught on camera. Come along for the incredible ride because this is Viral Monkey. Not many people will believe this, but a cow and a bull can do some serious damage.
Hey, hey, hey.
In this world, there are few animals that will run after you with such force and power. The bear is truly unmatched. The scary thing about a bull is if they see red, they will stop at nothing until they get their target.
Meu Deus! Ah, tudo que eu precisava. Toma, olha isso!
You can just tell that this lady is so happy in this moment because this encounter could have turned ugly if she didn't turn around.
Медведь стоит, девушка, уйдите! Девушка, медведь стоит! Ой! Медведь! Батюшки!
Most people will not understand how incredibly smart an anaconda truly is. It can fit into any space and always find a water source. This man has to be so brave to even attempt to catch a snake like this.
Rachel! Rachel! I'm gonna need you! I done fucked up, Rachel!
This is probably everyone's worst nightmare come to life. This is why we should stay out of Snake County.
Oh,
And this is how quickly something can get attacked out in the open water.
Let the line touch the boat. Open the bail. Open the bail. Boy, sit. Boy, sit. Oh, sorry. Damn.
There are many things in this world that you would not want to see in your toilet. I think this is number one on the list. Can you believe that this guy had this encounter with a snake and survived to tell the tale? This is one of the most beautiful things to watch in nature, but be sure to never stand in the way of their path.
Kur. Up, 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 up. Up. Up, up, up. Up, 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 up. 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 Hey. 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 Hey.
If you have a fear of spiders, then you should look away now. Take a look at the amount of spiders in this cave.
Ну давайте знакомиться.
Ой, не надо, я вас боюсь.
Ну почему же?
Here you can see what it looks like when a tiger's predator instinct kicks in. If there's one thing that you would not want to have come inside your home unannounced, it would easily be a cobra of this size.
ها لا الزوار ده قاتله قاتله الزوار ده.
Can you imagine if this person came to the door expecting some food and saw these two hungry visitors? This is the danger of having animals around the pool. They can get in thinking it's a water source, but then struggle to climb out.
Полный подоконник, забитый летучими мышами. Просто их тут кишит.
And that does it for this one, guys. We hope you had fun taking a look at the coolest animal encounters. If you had fun, then give this video a like. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.